Hello, prominent verses from Bhagavad Gita for our meditational practices. We have selected verse numbers 7, 15 and 7:16 from Bhagavad Gita, the Song of God, about those who consider God to be a real entity. They engage in understanding the knowledge process and most prominently the devotional aspects of gaining knowledge and getting closer to the supreme entity. So the verse number 7:15 says, Namam duskritno mudha prapadyante naradhama mayaya aprita jnana asurim bhava mashrita. Lord Krishna has imparted the entire knowledge to Arjun in Bhagavad Gita, the Song of God. Arjun is as though our representative. Whatever questions that arise in our mind have been raised by Arjun. Shri Krishna one by one has answered all those questions. Here, look at his answer about who do not surrender to God. He categorizes them into four. Number one, Mudha, the ignorant. This is the first category. He says those who don't know anything about the divine laws, anything about the existence of a supreme entity, an omnipotent power, the entity which is omniscient, omnipotent, omnipresent. They don't have any clue about this. Such people are called the ignorant by Shri Krishna. Category number one. They don't have any knowledge about the existence of a supreme power, the existence of the soul, how the soul transmigrates from one body to another, how the law of karma works, etc., etc. They take birth, they grow, they get educated, they have children, they earn, they become old, and they die. This is category number one. Category number two, Lord Krishna says, are Naradham. The first category, Mudha, the second category, Naradham. Such people Sri Krishna classifies as those who are lazy. They do know that there is a supreme power. There are so many evidences. Our own body, how complex every system of our body is, how all these were created, the flowers, the fruits, the trees, the sun and the moon, how everything is working. We all call there is the mother nature. So these people also have this knowledge. They have read, they have heard many spiritual subjects, but they simply did not go deeper or investigate. They missed the opportunity. This is the second category. The third category, Shri Krishna says, Mayaya aprita jnanam. They learned some knowledge, but they concocted their own ideas. They are experts in giving lectures in office, canteen, amongst friends, without really understanding the whole picture. They manufactured their own ideas, their own conclusions. This is category number 3. And the category number 4 is Asurim Bhava, those who openly declare that we don't believe in God. They are atheistic. They get angry and irritated if you speak to them about God. These are the 4 categories Shri Krishna says they don't surrender to me. And then he says there are 4 types of people who do come to me, who do engage in devotion. What are those categories? That he says in the next verse, 7:16, Chaturvidha bhajante mam jana sukirtano arjuna arto jigyasur artharthi jnani cha bhartarshava. The 4 categories are the arth, number 1, distressed, number 2, jigyasur, the inquisitive, number 3, artharthi, the seekers of material opulences, and number 4, jnani, the one who has the knowledge. Very simple classifications, categories of the 4 kinds. The distressed are the ones who have no hope of their current situations. They are in either severely sick or suffering from different miseries. They cannot overcome the miserable conditions they are in, and they come to God for help. The second category is the one who tried every stunt but couldn't achieve their economic goals. They live in penury and lack of wealth, which they so strongly aspire, but they cannot get it. So they come to God. They engage in devotion. The third category is the one who is inquisitive. They have seen others engage in devotion, engage in scriptural knowledge, and they also emulate them. And the fourth category is the one who have already acquired knowledge under the guidance of an expert, a bona fide guru. So these 2 verses summarize the 8 categories of people who don't come to God and who come to God. 7:15, Namam duskritno mudha prapadyante naradham Mayaya aprita jnanam asuram bhavam ashrita. And 7:16 Chaturvidha bhajante mam jana sukirtno Arjuna Arto jigyasur artharthi jnani cha bhartarshava. Those who don't surrender to God, number one, the ignorant, the number two, the lazy, the number three, the deluded ones, the number four, atheistic. And the four categories who do come to God: number one, the distressed; number two, the seeker of wealth; number three, the inquisitive; and the number four, the one who has the knowledge, the knowledgeable. So this is a great set of slokas, set of Bhagavad Gita verses which we can reflect in our meditation and progress in the implementation of Formula 44. With similar iconic verses and very enlightening sets of knowledge, we will select some more verses next week. Take care. See you again.